Okay, here we go, friends. It's time for circle time. We're going to start off with the Pledge of Allegiance. Let's stand up. Right hand on our heart. Eyes are on the flag. And we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes out to our side and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we'll reach our dreams. All right, we're taking a look at the month. Today is a special day if you're a Star Wars fan because it is May the 4th, which sounds like May the Force be with you. So today is May the 4th. It's Star Wars Day. Woo! I am a Star Wars fan, so I'm very happy today. Tomorrow is the 5th of May, which is Cinco de Mayo, which is another celebration. But we're taking a look at our pattern. We have suns and kites. We're doing 3 of each. So we already have our 3 suns. So that means today I'm going to put down a what? A kite. Good job. So what's going to be tomorrow? What do I want? If I have 3 of everything, I have 3 suns. 1, 2, 3. I have 1 kite. What do I need to put here?
Kite.
A kite. Excellent. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. Here we go. Let's sing it.
Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Your turn.
There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Awesome. So if I sing my song, there's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday, which is today, May the 4th. It is Tuesday, May 4th, 2021. All right. Let's see what kind of weather we said for today. We predicted sunny weather, and that was right. It is sunny today. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? What do you think?
Sunny.
Sunny again. I like the way you're talking. All right. Let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Here we go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Excellent. We're counting all the way to 20. Let's go ahead and lift those arms up and shake, 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 shake them. Touch your ears. Touch chin. Where's your chin? Show me your elbows. Good listening. Ears are on. Hands in lap. Let's count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, let's count backwards from 10. Here we go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
some shapes. How about we start right back there, Mr. Blue with Spider-Man. What shape is this? Circle. What color is it? Uh-huh. Right here, orange stripe. What's this? What shape?
Square.
What color? Not black.
Brown.
Brown. Good job. Right here. Are you ready? What shape is this?
Blood.
That's the color. What shape is it? A rhombus. Good job. You know the other name?
Diamond.
Wow, we rocked it. All right, right up here. You ready? What shape is this? Rectangle. What color is it? Blue. All right, ready? Miss Yellow. What shape is this? It is yellow. What shape is it? Not a heart. Here's heart. This is a star. It is a star. Looking at some colors. We have home. All right. What color is this right here? Everybody, what color?
Red.
Red. What color is my Oreo? Black. What about sadness? Blue. What about Pinkie Pie? What color is Pinkie Pie? Pink.
Pink.
Let's look at some numbers. Right here. Ready? What number is this? 10. What is it? Good. Ready? Right here. Ready? What number is this? 2. Right here. Ready? What number is this?
3.
Excellent. You ready, Spider-Man? Here we go. What number is this? Yay! Missed it yesterday. Got it this time. You ready, Yellow? Yellow, what number is this? 1. Good girl. All right, our nursery rhyme this week is London Bridge. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. All right, what is this?
Penny.
A penny is worth
1
1
cent.
cent. What is this? Nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. How many pennies do I need to make 1 nickel? 5. Excellent. What is this? Dime. How many pennies do I need to make a dime?
10 cents.
10 pennies. It's worth 10 cents. Or I could have 2 nickels. What's the big one? Quarter. Good remembering. A quarter is worth 25 cents. I can have 5 nickels, or I can have 2 dimes and 1 nickel, or I can have 25 pennies. 25 pennies. All right, these are the letters we've worked on already. What's this one? L. F. E. H. T. I. U. C. O. Q. G. S. J. D. P. B. R. K. What is this one? B. B. We are working on the letter A. A says Ant-Man and Aurora both start with the letter A. All right, let's get out our mats. Pieces at the top of your mat. Turn around. You're always facing forward. Yep. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go. No, it's the bottom. Touch the bottom. We're in the middle. Touching the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? With your eyes. Reach up. Way up. At the top. This is the top. Reach up and touch the top. Reach down. Way down. At the bottom. Get to the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Please. The top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, remember to start it at the top. It's the top, top, top. No, it's the bottom. It's the top, top, top. No, it's the middle. It's the top, top, top. It's the top, top, top. Where do you start your letters at the top? All right. There are pieces at the top to make the letter A. Then A says We're going to start off with our big slide. Everyone grab it. Put it onto your mat. Big line, we're making it into a slide. Imagine that would be a fun slide to go on. All right. We have our big slide. Then we pick up our other big line. And we make another slide. Big slide. Big slide down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Good job. And we pick up our little line and we put it at the bottom. Is that right? No. No. We put it at the top? No. Let's put it in the middle. All right. Good job. All right, your voices are off. Your hands are in your lap. Your eyes are up here on the screen. And we say, big line down. Frog jump up. I'm sorry. Nope. Scratch that. Ready? Big slide down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Little line across the middle. Since Mrs. Hill messed that up, we're going to do it one more time. Fingers are at the top and we say, big slide down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Little line across the middle. All right, your turn. Your fingers are at the top of your mat. And we say, big slide down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Little line across the middle. What letter is that we made? A. And what does A say? Excellent. Thank you so much for joining us for Circle Time, and we will see you on Thursday.